Hey champions and superstars, my name is Yun Chang from Freedom Profits and welcome to today's video on 5 brilliant New Year marketing ideas that you can execute to breathe new air to your business and generate more sales. As we head into 2019 and your energy has been recharged, it is time to give your Amazon e-commerce business a chance to grow further and keep pace with demanding customers. With all those New Year's resolutions floating around, sellers can take this opportunity to market and promote their line of products to existing customers and also to new customers. So grab your pen and paper to take notes, and should you miss any important information, you can always refer back to this presentation. Awesome, let's get this ball rolling. So what will you learn from this video? You will learn how to create your own New Year marketing campaign to bring in new customers and also engage with your old customers. Let's take a look at this top New Year's resolution for 2019 by Statista. And when you look at this chart right here, hopefully you'll be able to spark new marketing ideas just by looking at it. And perhaps your New Year's resolution is on this list. We can see like the top number one is with 71% of US people who are wishing for the most in 2019 is to diet or to eat healthier. And mainly looking at this list, a lot of this New Year's resolution is based on fitness, health, and finance, and of course with family as well. So let's take a look at the 5 brilliant new marketing ideas that I'll be sharing with you today that you can execute to grow your e-commerce business. Now, the first one is New Year, new product promotion. Now, the new year is the perfect time to launch new products and also encourage customers to try them. Whether you have a new product to launch in 2019 or you want to promote existing products, you can apply this type of promotion. Here's a good example of this promotion. So according to Statista, the chart that we looked at earlier, 54% of Americans if you take a look at it, 54% of Americans are looking to lose weight in 2019. And if you're selling weight loss products, this is a great opportunity for you to market to them. For instance, you can run a New Year, new body promotion, offering discounts for your weight loss products, or a New Year, new accessories if you're selling within the fitness accessories category. Feel free to use all your creativity to create a unique promotion that stands out from the crowded marketplace. The next one is flash sale. So a great way to clear out all those holiday inventory is to run a flash sale for 24 hours. There are plenty of shoppers out there waiting for the post-holiday season to scoop up special deals. And if you have extra stock in your inventory that you want to get rid of, this is a perfect promotion to do and replenish to clear out all those holiday inventory. Prior to running a flash sale, you should be promoting it before the actual sales window. The main reason behind it is to build up the anticipation amongst existing or new customers, so that this will definitely add weight towards a more successful event. And once you have run a flash sale, you can figure out whether this type of promotion is right for you, for your business. And another tip is to keep in mind that no amount of marketing or advertising can save a flash sale unless it combines a great product and a huge discount. And if you want to run a flash sale, unless your product is a premium, you're selling premium product, you don't have to give out a huge discount, but usually you would have to give out at least 50% coupon codes in order to run a successful flash sale. The next marketing strategy, number 3, is to run a inspiring quote contest. Now, New Year is often considered the best time to get motivated for a fresh start. You can host an inspiring quote contest by getting your customers to share their favorite quotes for New Year, ones that inspire them the most on social media. because New Year, everyone's all throwing out, posting inspiring quotes on Instagram, on Facebook. So one way to leverage on that is to run an inspiring quote contest. So here are the three steps to host your own inspiring quote contest. The first step is to post your contests on social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, depending where your audience are most actively, quote unquote, hanging out. Have participants to use specific hashtags or tag you in their posts. So looking at this image right here, it's just an example. I use hashtag freedom profits right here. So this is one way you can do that and get customers to use hashtag your business or a specific hashtag or quote that you want to use. So the second step is to choose the top few most popular quotes based on engagements such as likes, comments, and shares. And be sure to remember to offer prizes for all winners. So in order to choose the winners, you choose them based on engagement rate. And the third step, of course, is to announce the winner. And one great way to do so is to compile all your favorite quotes into a post and share it with your audience on social media. At the same time, announcing the winner. So this is a third marketing idea that you can run, promotion. So let's look at the fourth New Year marketing idea, which is to help us have an amazing 2019 promotion. It is important for you and your business to grow because we all know that if you're not growing, you're dying. That's a quote by Tony Robbins. And in order to grow, you need to get feedback for improvements from your customers. A great way to do so is to run, help us have an amazing 2019 promotion. You can rephrase it to however you like it, but this is just an example. And to get customers to help give you feedback to help you and your business grow in 2019. And just like what Jerry Maguire would say, help me help you. And in order to run this promotion, you can provide discounts via your email list that you sent out for your customers, for them to fill out a survey or feedback form. To create one of these forms, you can use Google Forms. It's free, absolutely free. And this in return will help you identify faults within your business, so you can go and fix and improve it. Or, products that been, bugging customers, and you can maybe improve it. So you'll bring, more new customers in. And this New Year theme gives your customers a reason, also give them a reason to share their thoughts about your product